Hello friends. Today we are going to learn how to draw a very cute turtle in a very easy way for kids or for beginners. Start from eyes. For big eyes, oval shape to draw. Wow, amazing. Looking cute. Now draw the mouth with red tongue, and now draw your body. So very easy to draw. So legs, small forelegs. Wow, the tail. Now your neck. Now start color. So green color. Face are green. Looking amazing. Now tell me who liked the video. It's the cute turtle. Like the video and subscribe my channel for more interesting and easy drawings. So leg, face, neck and tail are green in color, and now yellow color, and then brown. It's the brown color shell. Wow, it's amazing. Green turtle in a brown shell. Now let's touch off a little bit orange color for extra brightness, and red tongue a mouth. Wow, looking cute. Now like the video and subscribe the channel. Thank you. Bye bye.